Hi everyone, welcome back to my daily English challenge. Today I am going to share a funny story about the day I accidentally overdosed with cough syrup. Yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds. So, one day I woke up feeling a little sick. My throat was hurting, and I decided to take some cough syrup before starting school. But here's the thing. The syrup had a specific dose. You were supposed to use a spoon or a little cup to measure it. But me, I thought I was smart. I trust my super genius brain. I had this habit. I will take the syrup directly in my mouth and stop when I felt like it was the right amount. I was so confident in my mouth measuring skills. I thought, I know exactly how much I need. But that day, I was wrong. I took too much, way too much, and I didn't realize it until I got to school. Suddenly, I started feeling hyper, like I had extra energy from nowhere. I couldn't stop talking, I was moving a lot. My brain was going to 100 miles per hour. In English class, my teacher asked me a simple yes or no question, and I gave her a full speech. I felt like I could do anything. I was unstoppable. My friends noticed, of course. One of them never stops reminding me that day. Every time we talk about it, we laugh so much. So, moral of the story. Don't trust your mouth as a measuring tool. Use the spoon. Have you ever done something silly like this? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in our next day. Let me know in the comments below.